Okay, we're back again. We're gonna have another competition, me versus her. We're going for bass this time, both of us, so we're gonna go by size because sometimes I catch more than her. I know a little bit more, but if she hooks into a big one, she could win it. And the loser gets an ice cold bucket of water poured over their head. So boys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, this is probably a 2-pound bass here. The water is a lot more murky than it has been. Here, show them the water. It's a lot more murky than it has been, and we've had a little bit of trouble, but we finally got that first one here, so I'm in the lead, and let's get this boy back in the water. There he goes. Uh-oh. She's hooked up, guys. I don't know. We're gonna have to see whose is bigger. Let me walk over here. What'd you catch him on? I got you beat on the size. Here, let me get him. There you go. Good job. Take that hook right out of there. There you go. Hold him up. Alright guys, we're going by size. I got her beat, but let's get this fish back in the water here. Crap guys, this one feels amazing. I'll probably go 3 there guys. Better fish. Nah, probably 2.5. Alright guys, I've caught 2, she's caught 1, but we're not going about on quantity, we're going on size, so there's this one. Okay. Get a little. Here you go. Let him swim off. Let him swim off. Let him swim off.
Why?
Because. Let him swim. There you go. She's inside changing. I don't think she's gonna like this. That's a lot of ice, guys. Let that get cold. Close your eyes.